Have you ever made a burger at home using fresh ingredients and still wondered why it doesn't taste like the one from a restaurant? The ingredients may look similar, but somehow the restaurant burger feels more flavorful, juicy, and satisfying. Is it just better cooking, or is there a hidden science behind that perfect bite? A restaurant burger is not created by one secret ingredient. Instead, many small details work together to create the final experience. From the type of meat to the cooking temperature, every step can change the taste, texture, and smell of the burger. One major difference is how restaurants cook their patties. Many professional kitchens use high heat to create a flavorful outer layer while keeping the inside juicy. This process creates a texture that is difficult to copy on a normal home stove. Another important factor is consistency. Restaurants make the same burger hundreds or thousands of times, which means they have perfected the process. The amount of sauce, seasoning, cooking time, and assembly are carefully controlled. But the mystery goes beyond cooking techniques. The way a burger smells, looks, and is presented also changes how your brain experiences the food. Before the first bite even happens, your senses are already judging the meal. The bun is another underrated part of the burger. Restaurants often choose buns that have the right balance of softness and strength. A good bun holds everything together while adding its own texture and slightly sweet flavor to every bite. Then comes the sauce and seasoning. Many restaurant burgers are carefully balanced with flavors like salty, sweet, tangy, and savory. This balance keeps every bite interesting instead of making one flavor overpower the entire burger. Cheese also plays a major role in the experience. When melted at the right temperature, cheese adds creaminess and connects all the ingredients together. That combination of textures can make a burger feel much more satisfying. There is also a reason restaurants can make food feel more special. The smell of grilled meat, the sound of cooking, and the environment around you all influence your brain. Eating is not only about taste, it is a complete experience. Another hidden factor is the equipment. Restaurants often use professional grills and cooking surfaces that can create high temperatures and consistent results. This helps create flavors and textures that are sometimes difficult to achieve at home. Your brain also has a big role in why restaurant burgers feel different. When you see a well-presented burger with fresh toppings and melted cheese, your brain creates expectations before you even taste it. Those expectations can actually influence how enjoyable the food feels. Smell is another powerful factor that people often ignore. The aroma of grilled meat, toasted buns, and melted ingredients reaches your brain before the first bite. That smell prepares your senses and makes the burger experience feel more exciting. Restaurants also focus on creating a repeatable experience. When customers get the same taste every time, they build a connection with that food. This familiarity can make people return again because they know exactly what they are going to enjoy. There is also a difference in portion and presentation. A restaurant burger is usually designed to look satisfying before you even start eating. The size, colors, layers, and arrangement all influence how your brain judges the meal. So the secret behind restaurant burgers is not one magical ingredient. It is the combination of cooking methods, ingredients, presentation, smell, consistency, and psychology. All these small details work together to create that unforgettable burger experience. So, does this mean homemade burgers can never be as good as restaurant burgers? Not at all. With the right ingredients, proper cooking techniques, and attention to small details, a homemade burger can also become amazing. The difference is that restaurants have spent years perfecting every part of the process. The reason we love restaurant burgers is because every element is designed to work together. The crispy or soft bun, juicy patty, melted cheese, fresh toppings, and flavorful sauce all create a balanced experience. A great burger is not just food, it is a carefully created combination. This is why a simple burger can feel so satisfying. Behind that one bite are cooking skills, food science, psychology, and years of experience. The next time you eat a restaurant burger, you will know there is much more happening than just a bun and a patty. So the mystery is finally clear. Restaurant burgers taste better because of a perfect mix of technique, ingredients, environment, and human psychology. There is no single secret. The real secret is how every small detail comes together. A restaurant burger feels special because it is created using science, skill, and experience. From the first smell to the final bite, everything is designed to make the experience memorable. If you enjoyed this food mystery, like this video, share it with a burger lover, and subscribe to Food Mystery Lab for more surprising food secrets.